Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to complete your first weekly math work check-in. And so I'm starting here on the screen for your weekly work. And so you'll see that I have a document linked right here. This is going to be your independent work for today. There's two parts of it. One is the weekly math work check, which we'll do once a week, every week. And the second thing is a cool down quiz. So to access my work, I'm going to click and open that in a new tab. And then what will load is going to be your assignment that is called Weekly Math Work Check. It does have a submit button, so that way I know that there's something for me to submit today. I'm just going to take a moment to read my instructions. Today you are going to complete your first weekly math work check. This will give you some time to work through your Canvas assignments and see your feedback on submitted assignments, as well as which assignments may still need to be submitted. Remember our talks about mistakes? Now's a good time to take a look and see if we've made any mistakes and if we need to go back and fix anything. You will be using a Google Doc to help you with reviewing your work. Click here only one time. Don't click that button multiple times because it's going to make multiple documents. This will make a copy of your checklist. If you want to find the document again later, you can go to your Google Drive. Please move this document to your math folder in your binder. So that's what this video is going to be showing you, is how to create the document and how to move it. When you have finished your work, come back here to submit the URL to your Google Doc. So I see there is a submission, but I have to click here to make my Google Doc first. It says, would you like to make a copy? Yes, I would. Make a copy. The first thing that I want to do, because I know in my instructions it said to move this into my math work folder, I'm going to use the file. Nope, I'm not going to use the file. I tried it. Talk about mistakes, right? I see there's a button now beside the title that shows me how to move the document. So I'm going to click move because it's just in my Google Doc or my Google Drive, and I want it to actually go into my binder. So I'm going to double click, find my math block, and click move. This item will be visible to everyone who can see math block. That's fine with me because that's my teachers. I want them to be able to see this. So now I notice there are some instructions on how to submit it, but I'm not ready to submit this because I haven't looked at my grades yet. So the first thing I'm going to take a look at today are your informal grades. So informal grades are graded according to the directions on the assignment, and I give you some feedback. And that feedback is where you can see what you might need to do to improve your work or to get a score for that. So I'm going into Canvas, and I'm going to click the button for grades. If you don't see this button, you may need to log into Canvas. It might just mean you're not logged in. And I'm waiting on my grades tab to load. In just a moment, this video is probably going to end. I'm going to hit my 5-minute mark, and then there'll be a part 2 for you to watch to finish up. So I see now that I have my grades. I just have a test student in here. It's not a real person. And I can see my informal assignments. I can just see regular assignments. Those are like for reflection or pre-tests. And then I can also see, but I don't have any yet, when I have a formal assignment like a test or a quiz. If I see the missing button, that means that I have not turned in an assignment. If I see a score of a 0 out of 10, that might mean there's a problem with my assignment. I can actually use this little speech bubble, and when I click that bubble, it'll give me the details about my assignment. So this says, I can't see this document. Look here for the details on how to submit. So you did turn in something, however, there's a problem with it. I need you to try that one more time. I might also see I didn't get a perfect score. I got a 7 out of 10. And when I read the directions, I'll see it's because I forgot to reply to my classmates.